Alright, here we are again. We're little spot head bugs. You gotta get his little piece of bread and a spaghetti. He did try it, but he likes his bread better. Don't you, bud? Come over here and get your spaghetti. Come over here and try the spaghetti. Come on. Hurry, I can't film too long. Come on, bud. Where's your mama at? Huh? Where's Big Mama Bugs at? Huh? You better eat that spaghetti. The possum will get it. Get the spaghetti. Come on, get the spaghetti. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go, bud. You're a little dot head, ain't you? Huh? Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy at? I know she weaned you off, but she's still your mama. She chases you around, don't she? Alright, we better go. Say bye. Say bye.